Hey everybody, welcome to my latest coaching video. And today's coaching video, I'm going to share with you how to use little wins to stay motivated to continue to lose weight. And this is another video straight out of my brand new Shred 10 challenge, which you can go and learn more about at shred10challenge.com. And don't forget, as a club member, you get this complete challenge 100% free, and you can learn more about how to become a club member at SixPackFactory.com/club. But if you're ready, let's get going. In today's coaching, I'm going to talk about a simple strategy that can help you stay motivated day after day until you achieve your main goal. In fact, it can help you stay motivated hour by hour. Today, we're talking about focusing on little wins. Now, a little win is anything that is an improvement on what you did previously. It is also anything that helped you take action and helped you stay consistent. So literally anything that you did today that was an improvement on before you were doing it is a little win. Now, little wins can be extremely effective because it does three important things. Number one, it keeps you focused on taking any action. Remember, it's a little win, so it doesn't have to be massive action. Even the smallest action can be a little win. And if you do your tracking sheet, then all those boxes on the left, everybody should be ticking all those every single day, and every one of those is a little win. So it helps you focus on taking action, big or small. Number two, it keeps you motivated. Every time you see an improvement of any kind, you will be motivated. And thirdly, it helps you stay focused on the positive. The one thing you need to understand about our brain is that it's designed to focus and look out for the negative. Why? Because it's in survival mode. It needs to look at what can go wrong and what should I avoid so that I don't die, okay? That's how your brain works. But it can also end up making you extremely negative. But if you focus on little wins, then it can make you extremely positive because your focus is on every little thing that's going right. And of course, we are doing the testing on a daily and weekly basis to see that if something goes wrong, we can fix it and continue to get results. But on a day-by-day or even an hour-by-hour basis, when you don't know if you're losing weight in the last hour. So you can look at negative things and go, oh my God, I don't know if I messed up my diet. Or you can focus on, hey, I tried to eat healthy. Hey, I went for a workout. Hey, I drank some water. All those things is you looking at the positive things by focusing on little wins. And so guys, we go back to the tracking sheet again. Remember, every little thing that you write on there is a little win. But secondly, I want you to start doing something else today. I call this non-tracking wins, or NTWs, okay? Basically, I want you to start writing as many as you can each day, but at least one non-tracking wins, which means it's a little win that has nothing to do with anything we are tracking. So for example, is your clothes fitting better? Little win. Write it down in your diary as a little win. Or did someone comment on how good you are looking? Or if you are feeling fitter? All those things are little wins, but we don't necessarily track it. So I want you to start today. Every little win that you come across, write it down. That's how you're going to stay motivated hour after hour, day after day, until you reach your ultimate goals. So there you go, guys. That's your coaching video for today. Stay focused on those little wins. I will see you tomorrow.